welcome at the Wizardry vlog. I'm going to introduce you to Marjolein.
Hi.
And behind the camera is Natasha.
Hi.
So we've met some lovely ladies and they're living in Florida, well some of them. And they're called the Merch Queens and they're personal shoppers that get you cool stuff from Universal and Disney World. So last time, I think it's 2 months ago, I got this really cool bottle. Sorry for my cat's tail there. Recently M&M's opened a store at Disney Springs and this is the design of it. Do you love the M&M's? So we got Mickey and M&M's, red and yellow M&M's. How much does it take? So it's about $16.95 and there, I hope you can see it, there's a Disney Springs logo. So that's the first piece. Go. The second, you know about COVID, now you need to have like masks, yeah. So Disney provided them. So here we have the blue design with the Walt Disney World logo. Does this come with the Spirit Jersey?
No, it's made by Spirit Jersey.
Oh, it's made by Spirit Jersey. Here we go. Can you see the Spirit Jersey? So this is an L sized and they're around, well I can't say because there's no price, sorry. But this is an M sized. Why is there no price? That's mean.
I thought they were $12.99.
Oh, $12.99?
I guess.
And they come in this lovely bag.
Because the Spirit Jersey ones are more expensive.
Ah, that's why. So I'm going to return this to my dad. I'm going to make it back in the bag. There we go. And the third one is this pass holder. I don't know what this is called, but what's this called?
So retractable pass holder, I think.
Okay, it's around $20. It's designed for the Haunted Mansion. As you can see, Ghost Host. This is the back. And it's made by Loungefly. Didn't know that. I'm surprised. I didn't know they made Loungefly card holders. I didn't know that. That's new for me. So if you didn't know it, you want it, now you know. And then the last piece is this pass dispenser from the Mandalorian with Baby Yoda, Grogu, I mean, and the Mandalorian himself. I'm going to open it and I'm gonna see if there's a price, but I don't see a price. You remember the price, Natasha? No?
I think it was $8.99.
Okay, so I want to open it, but I have to destroy the whole package. So shall I just stay this way? What do you want?
You can open it.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to try to not destroy the whole box. There we go. So here we have the Mandalorian. Hello! And little baby Grogu. I don't know how he opens. Oh, he eats from the neck. There we go. And I don't really need to tell you how pass dispenser works, so I'm not gonna get the candy. These are the dispensers. Are you going to buy those?
You buy those? Yes.
Yes.
Just for the candy?
Just for the candy! I'm just gonna buy this one because that's so cute, but then I have to take the Mandalorian with it.
They're selling them separate now.
Now when they're taking them both. No.
No, but first they were only a package and now they're selling them separate.
Oh, this is so cute and small. This is like normal size and this is like a small size. This is for a little toddler. I'm looking at how many candies it takes, but I don't know because I know nothing about dispensers. Well, pass dispensers. Okay, so the Mandalorian one takes 1 serving roll, so there's 6 servings. And it also says that the Baby Yoda one does that, but I'm like, no way. Is that gonna hold 6 candies? Nope. Okay, so last week we got a second package, so I'm gonna take this back. It's a whole box. Okay, oh geez. Oh wait. Oops. want it? You want to do this for me so I can clear it out? Here you go. Okay, do you want to you want to do it so I can clear it out? Oh, that's quick.
That's quick.
Whoa. So we got this big box. Are you
Ooh,
want to know what's inside?
Yes, I want to know what's inside.
I'm going to place it next to me and I'm going to show you. So there's information people don't want to know.
Or that they don't need to know.
Yeah, sure, that's true. Oh, you got everything out of the... This is an empty one. More crap that I don't need. Ooh. Ooh! Oopsie daisy. I think there's Universal inside, but I also see some Walt Disney World peeking out. Gonna start with the mouth mask.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Ooh.
Jurassic Park.
Ooh.
Fit it.
Fit it?
Yeah.
Show it?
Let's see if it fits. And I have the Universal Pass Holder mask.
It's blue. It's blue.
Blue colors. Here we go. Hope it's not upside down. Is it upside down? No. There we go. My hair is in the way. And everything. Okay, there we go. We have Jurassic World.
I hope you can see it. Yes.
And the Universal Florida retro design. And a chocolate frog box from the Wizardry World. And the last one is from Walt Disney World. And I think it's the...
See the Disney logo?
The Spirit Jersey design.
Yes.
And there's a... That's it.
It's the rose gold one.
Rose gold one. So there's also a Spirit Jersey and ears that you can buy with these. So that's all the mouth masks. I don't see more. Ooh, Universal. Look at it, look at it.
Oh my god. Look at this. Do you
So-
see it?
So these are two Ultra emblems that you can put on your car. Natasha has it on her car. There's a second one. We have a second one available. Look at it. Look at it.
Where are you going to put it?
On my door because I have no car. Maybe when I have like a scooter, I'm gonna put it on my scooter. But
Can you also put it on a bicycle?
oh, you can.
I can try it. I think you can even put it on your fridge.
True, true, true. So next thing is the churro stand.
The churro stand?
Yes, the churro stand. This is magnets of the churro stand. She doesn't get it.
What?
So Universal fans know, especially pass holders, the Flessie coaster is our churro stand, and this is also churro magnets. The ride hasn't opened yet, so now it's still a churro stand, and I'm wishing that they will put a churro stand next to it. There it is. And of course, we've got two. Shall we just clear this out? You still want to see it? No? Clear this out so I can show something else. Well, the last thing. Here we have the churro lanyard. Can you do this for me? I can't reach it.
Churro lanyards. Oh my god. No, I won't. Oh. You see it? Churro lanyard.
And of course we got two, because we're big fans and we didn't know you wanted one, so maybe next time. And that's it, it's empty.
Empty?
Empty.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, I got more. Just, shall we clear? The next one is something cute. I already checked it, so it's alright, it's not broken. You can react to it. Here it is.
Okay.
And good thing is we got two. Oh, oops, sorry, Charlie.
Oh my god. Look how cute.
So So this is from the Flower and Garden Festival. It's available from March until the 5th of July. And well, you can order it with your drink, or you can just order it as a drink and at the side.
Mm-hmm.
I really love it. It's so cute and small. Look at it. He's so cute. I'm gonna get his brother. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. But it represents an orange because of the orange state. Look at it. It's even cuter when you got more of them.
So you want an army of orange birds?
I hope that... Oh, sorry.
We want to get a little army of orange birds.
I also hope that Walt Disney World will, like, every year they will get different orange birds. Like the same orange bird, but like different poses and different... That would be cute. So I'll show you the back side. Also, this thing is on the wrong side. That should be like inside the cup. Because now the straw will fall out. That's okay. For now. So... I have still this. Let me clear out this for you.
No, next we got the... What do you got? Disney?
At Disney World, Disneyland. I think you can buy it at both parks.
So I got like 3 crunchies. I got a black one with little Mickey on it in different colors. Got a white one with Disneyland, Disney World, everything on it. And got another one, also black, with the Disney castle on it. Can you see it? All 3 of them.
Have I permission to, yeah? Because that wouldn't be an unboxing, right? If I don't open anything. Okay. Weren't scrunchies very in the 90s? Because I remember in my childhood and then they were never there. And now they're back again. I remember that I don't like really like scrunchies because they're like, you can feel it. This is the elastic part and this is like just the cloth.
Oh yeah.
So they can do this, but they're very, you feel it. It's very strong. Now you can see the design better, I hope. And it says Disney Park, so could be that, well, except for this one. It says Walt Disney World. That these will be in Disneyland Paris as well. Because everything at this Disney parks can go to different theme parks. And the last one for this one is this really cute magnet. And I also filmed it. Oh, sorry. Oh, oops! Oops! So it's very cute magnet. I also filmed it with my cat reacting on it. He approved. And I'm putting that in right now. Carlo, look. Look, yours. You like it? Oh, you like it. Are you happy with the merge queens? Yeah, this is your fridge magnet now. Yeah.
The last item from the box are 3 things. To begin with, this car sticker. You can put it in your car. And you can see it both sides.
Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Otherwise,
And you get a little Mickey hat.
Can you still see it like this? Is that better? Yes?
Here.
Sorry.
The next item is this cute Baby Yoda sticker. And this is a regular sticker.
You can still put it on your
You can
car.
relax this. Yeah.
But if you put it on the inside, that will be only the numbers on the inside. So, yeah, you can put it on your steering wheel. That would be cute.
And the last one. This is very nice magnet.
It's okay.
Magnet.
Mm-hmm.
Walt Disney World. For your car. So you can put it in your car.
But I won't recommend putting it on your car because those things get really stolen. So, really fast. I already tried to steal the Jurassic World thing from a car. So
that's why I wanted the spare one.
yeah, that's why you want the spare one. So I don't recommend this putting on your car.
So put it on your fridge.
Yeah, fridge or somewhere else where you like it. So that's the last thing of the Merge Queens merchandise. I still wanted to show you something else. It's available, well, we bought it at the Disney store. It's also available in the parks. I really wanted to show you guys this. It's really beautiful from the Beauty and the Beast. So it's a notebook, right? I really like the design. Shall I flip it? Well, this is the back of it, well, the spine. I think you call this the spine. Not sure. And the back side. And the price is around 14 euros in Europe and 12 pounds in England. Don't know what it will be in America, but it's available. So now I'm gonna open it for you guys. Oh. Oh, look at it, Mrs. Potts. Only Mrs. Potts, I think.
And little Chip.
Where's Chip?
On the lower side.
Oh.
There.
Oh, didn't see that. What do you call this on the what's that called?
A tassel?
Yeah, but I mean, it's the same as a
bookmark?
bookmark, right? But I don't think you call it a bookmark. But it's also in it. And that is for today.
Yeah. So if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.